Hello and welcome to your daily crypto news roundup. My name is Bradley and today is Thursday, the 28th of April, 2022. Now, our biggest story today is that the Central African Republic, the CAR, has seemingly confirmed reports that it has adopted Bitcoin as a legal tender, becoming only the second country in the world and the first African nation to do so. After relatively confusing reports on the matter emerged earlier this week, reports from French media outlets as well as the Central African presidential offices confirmed this news yesterday. The presidency confirmed that the nation's National Assembly voted unanimously in favor of a measure that will give BTC equal footing status with the fiat franc. In other news, South Korea's biggest crypto exchanges have finally linked their rival travel rule solutions. Over a month after a new law that requires trading platforms to abide by the protocol came into force. As previously reported, the Financial Action Task Force, FATF's measure, which requires exchanges to monitor and share data on recipients and senders of crypto transactions and also flag suspicious-looking transactions, became compulsory in the nation of South Korea last month. Moving on, and this is very interesting, American borrowers can now use crypto mortgages to buy homes. Now, USDC Homes, a new decentralized finance project, is offering US home buyers DeFi mortgages, enabling users to purchase homes effectively using crypto without having to first liquidate it. The project currently allows Texas residents to secure crypto mortgages, but plans to expand its offering to other states very soon as well. The project offers both unsecured and secured lending options, allowing users to secure crypto mortgages using their Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD stablecoins, and also other popular crypto assets as well, and all as collateral. Now, home buyers can borrow up to $5 million using USDC Homes, which comes 5.5% interest rate and requires a 20% down payment as a minimum. Now, while all transactions are processed on-chain, borrowers can include off-chain data such as their credit score when applying. Now, moving on, a survey has found that Salvadorans are using the state-run Chivo Bitcoin app and wallet sparingly, if at all, with most simply downloading it to receive the $33 worth of Bitcoin as a golden hello before returning to using the dollar. And I don't blame them, to be honest. The survey was conducted by the United States' National Bureau of Economic Research in association with Sid Gallup. Now, details were published by Bloomberg, which concluded that this was evidence that BTC had failed to take root in the Central American nation. The survey saw 1,800 adults in the country interviewed face-to-face in February of this year and asked pretty much how they used the wallet. Now, only 20% of respondents said that they continued to use the Chivo wallet after making use of the $30 giveaway. And the survey authors concluded that virtually no one had installed Chivo on their phone in 2022. The authors also added that the most important reason not to download the app, conditional on knowing about it, is that users prefer to use cash, which was followed by trust issues. Respondents simply did not trust the system or Bitcoin itself. Anyway, let's take a look at the markets today. So Bitcoin's price started an upside correction from the $38,000 zone and was able to surpass the $39,200 resistance level. Similarly, most major altcoins are facing key hurdles. Cardano, ADA, settled below the 85-cent level and started a consolidation phase. The first key resistance is near the 865-cent level. A close above the 865 level may perhaps start a fresh increase. BNB, on the other hand, is now trading well below the $400 level. On the downside, the $385 level is immediate support, and the next key support level is near 380, below which the price might decline to 365. Solana, Sol, is consolidating near the $100 level. It's facing major resistance near 102 and 105. A close above 105 might spark a steady increase in the short term. And meanwhile, Dodge is testing the 14-cent support and is almost unchanged in a day after a sharp drop yesterday. If the bears gain strength, there is a risk of a move towards 135. On the upside, the price might face resistance near the 142 level. And if we move on to the XRP price, it's still trading in a range near the 65-cent level. The next key support is near the 632-cent level, below which the price could test the 62-cent support zone. Anyway, that is your daily crypto roundup. My name is Bradley again, and I'll see you tomorrow.